Want to see your usage, upgrade your plan, or manage billing inside CloudRaptor? In this video, I'll walk you through the billing and subscription dashboard step by step. The billing and subscription dashboard is where you manage everything related to your plan, from usage limits to upgrades and billing details. And just like before, all payments are handled securely through Lemon Squeezy, so your payment data is never stored on CloudRaptor. First, log into your CloudRaptor account. Then go to Billing and Subscription from the menu. Right away, you'll see your current plan details. Inside the dashboard, you'll find your plan name, like Free, Starter, Growth, or Scale, your subscription status, and your resource usage. You'll also notice progress bars showing how many servers and applications you're currently using. The Current Plans section gives you a clear breakdown: how many servers you're using, how many applications you've deployed, and how close you are to your plan limits. If you hit your limit, you won't be able to create more resources unless you upgrade. To upgrade, just click on Upgrade or View Plans and Pricing. From there, you can switch between monthly and yearly billing, compare different plans, and select the one that fits your needs. Once you choose a plan, complete checkout through Lemon Squeezy. Each plan comes with different features and limits. For example, number of servers you can manage, application limits, backup availability, support level, like email, priority, or dedicated support, and team collaboration features on higher tiers. So before upgrading, it's a good idea to compare what each plan offers. After successful payment, your plan updates instantly. Your new limits apply right away, and you can start using additional resources immediately. And that's how you use the billing and subscription dashboard in CloudRaptor. If you need help, you can contact support@cloudraptor.io. And if this helped, check out more CloudRaptor tutorials in the description. I'll see you in the next one.